Kill Devil Hills is nestled in the heart of the Outer Banks, a chain of barrier islands on the coast of North Carolina. Known as the birthplace of aviation, the town is swarming with attractions. From the Wright Brothers National Memorial to Jockey's Ridge State Park, there's history and natural beauty around every corner.
There'll be some fun waves out here.
Maybe you'll look out and get something.
It's a nice day today.
It is beautiful.
There's no one out here either. Go out here and have a little solo session. This could be our life if we could find a home.
I'd really prefer to live in Collington Harbor.
Yeah, there's so many amenities. It's only 10 minutes away from the ocean.
And it's off the beaten path, just enough.
2 bedrooms, 2 baths, so we could have guests come.
Open floor plan would be great with a lot of natural light. And if we could find a place with lots of storage.
For surfboards and a screening porch would be great with the cats.
Our dog Phoebe, she just needs to run free, but we do need a fenced-in yard to keep her safe. How much do you think we should spend?
I really don't want to go over 200,000. It's going to be tough, but, you know, we can do some searching, and I'm all in.
I think we can do it.
I'm going to go catch a wave or two. So you don't want to come out here with me?
No, thanks. Have fun. Woohoo! Looking good.
I think Lori and Steve are going to like this house. Tucked away is in a quiet cul-de-sac in Collington Harbor. Collington Harbor is a neighborhood in Kill Devil Hills. It's got great amenities. There's tennis courts, and you can just ride a bike to the community pool and spend the afternoon there.
This looks cool. I like that deck.
Oh, I like this too. It's very unique. It looks like there's a swing under here.
And I know you guys have been looking for storage for your surfboards and your kayaks. You're going to find that on the ground floor.
Sweet.
I know outdoor space is important to you. This house has a fenced-in backyard for your crazy pet to run around in. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's got 1,440 interior square footage.
Wow.
What's the price of this?
That's the best part. It's $199,000.
It's sounding better and better.
If you like this house, you got to let me know, because it just came on the market, and I think this is priced to sell. So take your time, but hurry up.
Yeah, no pressure.
Cool as a cucumber. I'm going to check it out. This deck's pretty solid. A little old, but
Nothing a little pressure washing couldn't fix.
I really like the shade here. Next door neighbors are a little close, but it's private with the trees.
I love the cul-de-sac. There's
Wow.
no cut-through traffic, and I love the screen porch.
This would be great for the cats.
You could put a cat tree out here.
They have a glass of wine or two in the evening. and-
Yes. Oh, wow. This is nice.
This is nice. I like the couch.
I like the paint color. Just wish it had a little more natural light.
Too bad the ceilings aren't just a little higher to brighten it up just a bit, or another window on that wall. What do you think about these floors?
They could be a little bit lighter, but overall, I mean, they'd be easy to clean. I like the open concept. It's a big kitchen.
Not a lot of counter space, but this island gives you more counter space.
The color of the cabinets, I want to paint them white, maybe some updated appliances. There's really not much space to have a formal dining area if we had company over, but it could work. What's down this way? Let's see, is this a bathroom?
It's not the biggest bathroom in the world.
Could use a different vanity. We could also replace this cabinet with something that has a little more storage.
Would be nice. Ooh, I like the color in here.
Almost a Carolina blue.
King-size bed looks like it'd fit in here. Oh, nice. Deck right from the bedroom.
Walk right out here and have a cup of coffee in the morning.
Coming straight outside with some fresh air.
This is great.
I guess we have to go through the master bedroom to see the backyard.
For guests, it might be a little bit awkward.
This is nice.
Oh, look, there's an outside shower.
Wow, I could rinse off after surfing and rinse wetsuits off out here.
I love the size of this backyard.
The next house I want to show Steve and Lori is Unwind here. Centrally located, 4 houses from Blunt Bay, and it's 4 miles from the beach, just outside the Collington Harbor gates. That has an oversized garage, a lot of windows and natural light. I think they're going to be willing to pay a little more because of the location. It's right next to the Sound.
I like the woodwork and everything.
No way this is going to be under 200.
You think?
Hey, guys.
It's pink.
It is pink.
Matches your shirt.
It's a beautiful coastal-style house with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 934 square feet, and it's $214,000.
Whoa, is there any backyard to it?
There is no backyard. It is a huge front yard. Got a private deck in the back.
Not real sure about the price. We have to install a fence, too. We're going to put a little money in that to make sure the dog doesn't get out.
But it's on a private cul-de-sac, and it's walking distance to the Kitty Hawk Bay.
Sounds good.
Well, we're here. We might as well look at it.
I think you'll like it.
Thanks, Coop.
I love this. Here's
Nice.
a screen porch. Put some chairs and a couch out here.
Oh, this would be beautiful in the morning.
This is awesome. Love the high ceiling, the arched window. It's so bright with all the light coming in.
One of our cats could even get up there and take a nice little cat nap. Beautiful
Think so.
view of the sound as well. This should be mandatory in every house right here.
Oh, my wine. That would
Yeah.
be perfect.
I guess this would be the living room.
I love the openness of it, the tongue and groove ceilings. I like that look. And then you've got the bar stools here.
Could even use this as a kitchen table if we had to.
It's a nice wide countertop.
I like the color of the cabinets.
I do too. I love how open this is. The fridge, we could always get updated.
Nothing wrong with that right now, I don't think.
What's in here? Laundry,
And a microwave. You can cook and clean at the same time.
lots of room. It would work. Oh, look at this.
Wow.
This is a nice sitting area for our guest bedroom. We've got privacy here. It's nice and peaceful.
Enjoy a glass of wine in the evening. You could grow grapes here.
I could, couldn't
Start
I?
our own winery.
We could plant some more flowers here to help shade it. This is looking pretty good.
Let's go check out the master bedroom.
Let me see.
Carpet again. Definitely have to figure something out with pets. Let's see what we have in here.
Maybe more storage.
Oh, wow. Every little bit of storage space helps.
All right, I guess this is the master.
For $214, though, it definitely seems tight.
Do you think our bed would fit in here?
It would fit, but it wouldn't leave much room for,
Anything else?
but 3 windows, definitely a lot of light. Wow, super shady down here.
Yeah, I like this area.
Entrance to the garage, too. More storage.
Here's a shed. That would be perfect for your boards, the paddle boards, the canoe.
No outside shower, though.
The trees are pretty. It helps a little bit with privacy. The front yard is big, though, and spacious. The only thing I don't like is it is mighty close to the road. I just worry about fencing it.
We're gonna put a little money in that to make sure the dog doesn't get out here.
I want to show Steve and Lori the beach cabin. It's inside the Collington Harbor neighborhood, which they're looking for, and it's priced right. I think they're going to like it.
It looks like a little cottage.
Wow, this is really neat.
I like the cedar.
It's kind of off the beaten path. It's not really a main road at all here.
We would have to put a fence in.
That can be installed relatively inexpensively. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,176 square feet, and it's $199,900.
That's great.
It's a lot of square footage for the money. It has a bit of a vintage feel to it. The owner is taking a lot of the furnishings, but if you find something in there that you like, we can probably negotiate that.
Okay,
Enjoy it.
let's go check it out.
Wow, the deck looks brand new.
It does. I really like it.
Put a table or 2 out here. Just string a hammock.
But the screen and porch is something that I wanted. Oh, this is cute.
Walking right into the kitchen. That's my style right there. What do you think about the cabinets, though?
They look like pressed wood. I mean, I like that they're white, though. There's not much storage in here.
Built-in
What it
coffee
is.
maker.
Yeah, that's true.
Refrigerator might need a little update.
And the stove. I like this faucet. It makes it easier to wash the pots with.
With the dishwasher, though, you don't have to do as much dishwashing.
This is a small kitchen.
It's an open kitchen.
I guess if we had a lot of people over, we could put a table like how they have it now. What is this over here? The fireplace?
I don't think this thing has ever been used.
Huh.
And we're gonna have to put a hole in the roof if it's gonna be a wood-burning
I
fireplace.
guess it's a little bit odd. I like the windows and I like the high ceilings in this room. I don't know about the furniture, though.
We definitely furnished this ourselves.
It's a little too formal for me, I think. I mean, what do you think about the walls? We could always add color, brighten it up and make it a little more beachy.
That's something we could definitely take care of. Well, so this is the master bedroom.
It is open.
I've lived in apartments that were smaller than this room.
Yeah.
I don't know about the couch in the bedroom.
I mean, it's kind of nice to have a sitting area. There's no closet in here. That's not good.
Hey, guys.
Hey,
What did you think?
We really like the vaulted ceilings.
the open floor plan and the master was really good. It's just the closets, there's not much storage. The kitchen was a little small.
It's well within our price, but there are a few projects. We just need a little time to regroup and sort things out.
Definitely.
Hey, Phoebes. Did you behave for Mom today?
We told Cooper we wanted to put an offer in on Tucked Away. They were asking $199,000.
And we put an offer in for $189,000. We made a pretty bold move.
No, they came back at $195,000. We took it.
We own it.
We did end up compromising on natural light for more privacy and outdoor space. We've gotten all the pets situated. Phoebe loves running freely in the backyard. And the cats, they love the screened-in porch. We're really enjoying the new house.